of you voted in the elections? Yes. Okay. So now is the time to reveal the results. Excited? Heartbeats high? Okay, I can see on your faces. The persons who have nominated, so are very much having this feeling. They are very much nervous. So I'll reveal the results. So let's start with the prefects first. So every house will have a prefect. Okay? First would be for yellow house, Jasmeet. Jasmeet, please come. So next is Manpratap for green house. Congratulations, Manpratap. Next is Ashdeep for red house. Working, sir, please come. Next we have Ishpreet for blue house. Congratulations, Ishpreet. Anurag. Congratulations, Ishpreet. So I hope you will be able to abide by your duties. So when you are selected for these positions, you have to be the role models for other students. So you have to understand, you have to be the perfect. Prefects have to be perfect. Understood? For everything. Be it your academics, be it your... So these are the 4 prefects for the 4 houses. Okay. Now it's time for the house captains. Heartbeats increasing? Okay. Isn't it? डर लग रहा है थोड़ा? Nervousness हो रही है? Okay. For red house, we have Purvansh as the vice captain. Shama, please come. Vice captain. Purvansh will be the vice captain for red house. Smile, Purvansh. Now for the house captain. Any guesses? Red house?
पीछे से आना, पीछे से जाना।
No clue.
Any guesses?
Aditya. Come please. Now for the house captain. Any other name?
Look.
So, our greenhouse will be dominated by the female. The house captain will be Niharika. For this, women are very great leaders. I hope. Hassan sir, please, can you please come?
Stay.
Congratulations, Niharika. Guesses for vice captain? Good. Okay, you are right. Washington. So I'll tell you the names. Okay, you have to remember your house names. So the people who are wearing red color would be Rostonia. What is your house name? Rostonia. Okay. And people who are wearing yellow would be Acacia. Acacia. You have to remember yellow color, Acacia. People who are wearing green would be Sylvania. And people who are wearing blue would be Wisteria. These are the names of the flowers or plants. Okay, so you have to remember your house. Now you will not call your house with colors. You will call with these names: Rostonia, Sylvania, Acacia, and Wisteria. Okay, you remember all your 4 houses. So now where were we? We were announcing the new house captain. Guesses? So it's Kushman. So, Neha Shukla ma'am, please come. Head boy and head girl and sports captain. Let's start with sports captain. Guesses? Adarsh. No other name? Why? So, you will be only at one position. So, Ankar is already the vice captain. Right. Okay, so your guess was right. So it's Adarsh. Adarsh, please come. So today's day was conducted by Sanjay sir. Sanjay sir, please come. So now we have our sports captain, Adarsh. Abide by your responsibilities. You will be getting a detailed roles and responsibility list. You have to follow it. Make sure you follow it. Okay? So now it's time for head boy. Head boy? Breathe. Okay, again you are right. So you have... Hold on for 5 minutes. Now we just have one more position. Guesses? Quick guesses. Breathe.
stay.
I'll just take 2 more minutes. Okay. Huge round of applause for all the winners. At the same time, few people who have nominated have not been selected. You don't have to be disheartened. Okay? We will have regular elections now, so you don't have to be disheartened. It's a part of life that you have to face. Somebody is selected. So there would be some points because of which you are not selected. Work on those areas. You will have next election, appear in that and show that you were a good candidate. Okay? So don't be disheartened and please keep yourself motivated and you will have to do next time you have to excel in that. Okay? And those who have been selected have to make sure that you abide by your roles and responsibilities. You have to be role models for others, or else you will be like your position will be snatched as well. So don't be in this thought that you are the head boy, head girl, house captain, prefect. Don't be in this thought that you will be like remain in this position. To be in that position, you have to be consistent with your efforts, be it your academics, be it your discipline, everything. Okay? Tomorrow, get in touch with your teachers for your roles and responsibilities. Okay? Thank you all. Thank you.